welcome to Nuwara area. We've reached, we've just entered and it's been raining quite a lot and it's really cold. All the flaps are down as you can see. And weirdly enough, I think there's just so many shops. Not even shops, they're just like street vendors selling a lot of vegetables. And there's strawberries, and then there's carrots, and then there's beetroot. Somehow this does not feel like Little England to me, at least yet.
No, it is. I think it's raining.
Maybe yeah, it's raining because of that we can't really understand it. But मुझे सच्ची महाबलेश्वर की याद आ रही है यार. मैं फुल इंग्लैंड के भरोसे आई थी यहाँ पे. But it just feels like Mahabaleshwar to me right now.
गाड़ी वापस आया.
Plus it was so hot like a few hours ago and right now it's suddenly so cold. Like legit cold. I'm so cold right now.
भाजी वाला.
So many vendors selling vegetables. What's up with that? Someone please explain me. And someone also please explain me where is the Little England? England.
लैंड से हो.
Poor सागर कब से चला रहा है इसे.
Hungry and poor.
Hungry. So hungry as well. Last we ate was a croissant and that apple iced tea. Okay, the houses right now may look a little like England.
They are beautiful. ये बहुत famous है ना.
I think it should just stop raining. Then I think we'll get like proper views of.
You know, in England it doesn't stop raining.
They are not in England. This is a part of it which is called England. Yeah, it stopped raining. It's still very, very cold.
Is the town?
Yeah, I think this is the town.
Why is everything closed? Where is everyone?
Where is everyone? Hello, nobody's come to greet us. That's bad manners. Hey, so it's so cold and like the rain has stopped finally. We're just right opposite the Gregory Lake and we're thinking if we can spend a night here. We're just looking for a home maybe. That's because it's really getting dark out there, but like so far the rooms that we're seeing, they're all like pretty damp, and anything that is like a proper room that goes a little way to above our budget. So yeah, we're supposed to make a call. Yeah, did you like it or it's the same?
No,
It's better. Okay, so some hotel we found another one, which is the hotel H2O. I'm just gonna quickly show you how it looks. You enter, there's like a carpet, luggage space, of course no TV, but I'm assuming there was a TV over here at one point. Just like a space to maybe get ready with drawers and stuff. Bed is decent and nice. There's toiletry, I guess, so that's fine. This is fine. I don't know, I just hope there are no like, I don't know, insects over here, but I think the good part is that we've got like an open balcony which is facing right, like that's a huge balcony, pretty huge. Yeah, it's facing right at the Gregory Lake, and yeah, there are many other rooms like this. So yeah, this is nice. The only weird part about this room is that they don't have any sort of fans, so I feel some sort of that, I don't know what that feeling is called, but I do feel that. And there's no AC as well, but AC is not something that I need. That's fine, that's completely fine by me, but no fan as well. Yeah, oh also let me see the washroom, I didn't see that. Okay, that's recent. That's the shower. What is this? Old system shower. And I think that's the only source of light. Okay, no worries. We'll make do. I think we got this for like 5,000 rupees, so not a bad deal, I think. Anyway, we are just gonna be like sleeping over here. We are getting out now and exploring the town, so yeah, shouldn't be an issue.
We are at Nuwara Elia, also known as Little England. We have very hungry forum here. जिसको अभी कुछ भी खाने मिला तो खा ली. We've taken a stay in one of those kind of places, which is like very European English houses. This is the lake जहाँ पे boating हो रही है और the weather is.
Swan.
It's not a swan. That's a
Swan.
swan वाला boat जो चला रही है. Hi boat. तो हम लोग का पहले प्लान था नहीं यहाँ पे रुकने का. हम लोग डायरेक्ट जाने वाले थे, बट अभी हम लोग रुक रहे हैं बिकॉज वेदर इतना अच्छा है और टुक टुक चला के भी थक गए हैं. और थोड़ा सा ब्रिटिश कल्चर देखते हैं.
British influence in India.
ब्रिटिश इन्फ्लुएंस इन इंडिया कैसा था. बेसिकली हम लोग ये देखने आए कि वो यहाँ पे जब रह रहे थे
तो कैसे
तो केविर इतना रह रहे थे. ये जब उन लोग का घर था बहुत सालों पहले. ये कुछ एडम स्ट्रॉबेरी शिप. क्या खाएगी फॉरम? हेलीकॉप्टर में बैठेगी पीछे? ए ऊपर से चल, ऊपर चलने का रहता है वो.
अपने को हैबिट नहीं है ना फुटपाथ पे चल. अपने इधर फुटपाथ पे कुछ चीजें होती हैं.
फुटपाथ पे तो स्टॉल लगते हैं भाई. चलता कौन है?
Just at the Frostbite restaurant here in Nuwara Elia, and we have Eranga with us, and thank you so much for the food. We love the food. We had the vegetable fried noodles along with the Sri Lankan dal, right? Yeah, and the coffee. I think really one of the best coffees.
in Sri Lanka.
Yeah, best coffees we've had. I think like in my videos, if you see.
because we are struggling to find good coffee.
Exactly, we've been trying at so many different places. We are like proper coffee lovers, and we've been trying to find like good coffee everywhere, but we finally found one, and I actually finished a black coffee. I generally don't drink black coffee, but I finished a black coffee, and he also gave me a nice little souvenir, so thank you so much. Yeah, please do come here guys. It's like just a beautiful view overlooking the Gregory Lake, and it has such nice vibes with great music. Bye. So we've come to the city center of Nuwara Elia, and supposed to be a lit place, but I don't think like it's the season, so everything's just shut.
There's a wine shop.
Yeah, even this looks so cool, like everything's written in like the font, but I think it's shut. Everything closed. Wine store also closed. This is supposed to be the lit street. Like, is there any pub or any place where we can maybe sit down and drink something? There should be one. Like it looks like there will be many, but I think it's just closed.
If you take a right somewhere, there is a beer pub.
Okay, we probably found a place that's maybe serving us something. There's a Christmas tree and there's a Santa. But that's the vibe of the place. We're gonna sit and see. Oof. Huh? Finally, we got some beer. Cheers. Apparently just given one glass. As a judgment he's made that only one person is going to drink this.
Guess who is this?
Me.
Lion.
Cheers guys. It's been going so well. We've ordered like kuttu, vegetable kuttu, which we have finished. And I'm sneezing a lot. Like, शायद मुझे सर्दी हुआ है. I'm also feeling a little weak and down, like under the weather. But somehow I'm a little tipsy right now because it was a strong Lion beer, apparently. So they also have like coffee and a pub. So the pub is really cool. Like, it's got like really nice vibes. We saw it. Unfortunately I could not like vlog it, but I'm just like showing you an overview. So this is something that you all should definitely come here at. They've also got a heater inside, so in case you're like really feeling cold outside, you can come in. Yep.